Okay, good morning. Or good afternoon. We're back on call number 2023-1792 in the interest of Sebastian Cabrera. Before the court is the mother with her attorney, Ms. Villalobos, the Assistant Attorney General, Ms. Williams, and we have a new witness. Please raise your right hand to be sworn. Solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
All right. Let's proceed with the court has taken note that the father is not present, made an appearance on the case on October 13th, 2020, and has been given notice of the Zoom hearing by certified mail return receipt requested. He has not checked in. We'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, we will start where we left off and with the calculation of child support. The
All
state
right.
will call its first witness, Ms. Bidu.
Yes.
Could you state your name and your role at the Attorney General's office?
My name is Natasha Bidu. I'm a child support officer.
And how long have you been employed with the agency?
12 years.
And what is your job responsibility?
One of the duties of my job is to investigate non-custodial parent wage information and calculate guideline child support.
And have you received special training to do?
Yes.
Okay. And did you assist today in calculating the child support in this matter?
Yes, I have.
Okay. And so right now we are calculating the retroactive child support. And so from May 2016 through the present. So from May 2016 through December of 2018, did you calculate child support based off of minimum wage?
Yes.
And which gave you $182 a month, correct?
That's correct.
And then for the year of 2019, did you calculate child support based off of Mr. Esparza's income, leaving child support at $452 a month?
Yes.
All right. What was his income during that period of time?
Your Honor, his income actually varied month to month during that period to come up to that particular calculation.
So you took an average of 12 months?
Yes.
All right. And what was his average income each month?
Hang on 1 second. Let me go to that page. Hang on. I'm using a new someone else's computer, so I have navigations. It's not as easy.
All right. Take your time.
Just gonna run the numbers again real quick because I can't. I'm just running the numbers again right quick because I can't find the tab. So Judge, based on the average gross of 3341, the child support would average at 452 per month.
Okay.
2019.
Okay, and then 452 would have put us at 5,424,000 for the year, correct?
Yes.
We do.
Yes.
And for the year of 2020, we have Mr. Esparza's gross at $4,560 a month. Is that correct?
For 2020, yes.
For 2020, yes, ma'am. And which would have put his child support obligation at $380 monthly.
For 2020, you said?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Totaling $4,560 for that month.
Yes. 4,560, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. And then from the time period of January 1st until January 1st until July of this year, his child support would have been based off of, his child support obligation would have been $318. Is that correct?
Yes.
And how did you compute that?
Based on his gross of the average gross of 2,000, hold on. That number 2956 and 2158. That's an average gross of 2556.35.
For what year? This year? Is that
Yes.
for this year?
Yes, as far as the retroactive amount.
All right.
And so, Ms. Bidu, was your total retroactive judgment amount calculated based off your expertise from May 2016 to May 2016 until today, $18,034?
Yes.
And Ms. Bidu, did you calculate Mr. Esparza's child support to determine child support obligation starting September 1st of 2021?
Yes.
And what was Mr. Esparza's gross income for that?
$2,460.17.
And did that bring his child support calculation to the $327?
Yes, based on $74 of medical support.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. No further questions. Oh, for Ms. Bidu, no further questions for you unless you have some.
Ms. Villalobos, you have any questions of us? We do.
I have no questions of this witness, Your Honor.
All right. May she be excused, Ms. Williams?
Yes, she may. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Ms. Bidu.
Thank you.
Okay, Your Honor, the state would like to call Ms. Cabrera again for its next witness.
All right.
Okay, so Ms. Cabrera, are you in agreement with the $327, the child support amount?
Yes, ma'am.
In addition to the, you're aware that he will have the retroactive amount of 108?
Yes.
Okay, and you're not asking the court to find, to issue any non-disclosures in your case, correct?
Yes, that's right.
And do you think this order would be in the best interest of your son, Sebastian?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I have no further questions for you, Ms. Cabrera.
Did we hear about conservatorship?
No, we did not.
We did, but we could revert back to that, Your Honor.
I'm sorry.
We did hear about conservatorship before we went on break.
We did. Okay.
We
Okay.
did not.
And it was a modified possession, if I recall.
Yes, sir,
Yeah.
you're correct, Your Honor.
All right. Did we hear about where where the date of May 27th, 2016 comes in.
So May 27th of 2016, Ms. Cabrera, have you and Mr. Esparza ever lived together?
What was the question again? I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Pardon me? Oh, the date of May 26th. Are you, Your Honor, are
Oh.
you?
This child was born March 29, 2015. You're calculating retroactive child support from the date of May 27, 2016. Where did that come from? Okay, Miss Williams, have you ever lived with Mr.
Miss Cab-
Graciano?
That's where
Did
my
you-
line of questioning was going, Your Honor. Ms. Cabrera, have you and Mr. Esparza ever resided together?
Yes, when I was pregnant, and he left after he turned 3 months.
Okay, and when was this?
It was back in 2015.
It was back in 2015. And did he help out with the child from 2015 to 2016?
No, he didn't.
Pardon me? He did not.
He was no.
And
So
so
where do we get the May 27th, 2016 date from, Miss Williams? You see why I'm confused?
I do see why you're confused, Your Honor. And I think the retroactive child support, that date is based off of, I'm not really sure where the calculation is based off of, other than statute. I know you can go back a few years on retroactive child support.
Okay, I mean, that's fine.
Okay.
That's your answer. Okay,
Okay.
good.
Yeah.
We agree with that answer.
Go ahead.
Pardon me, Ms. Villalobos, I could not hear you.
I said we agree with your answer.
Oh, okay.
That's right. I just want to, I'm working with Miss Williams. Okay, I'm working with Miss Williams, trying to get her, to figure out how she has to flesh all this stuff out. Okay.
Yes,
All
thank
right.
you, Your Honor.
Any other questions you have for Miss Cabrera, Miss Williams?
No, sir, Your Honor, I do not. Thank you.
All right, Miss Villalobos, do you have any questions for Miss Cabrera?
I just have a couple of questions for the record. Miss Cabrera, Mr. Esparza Graciano, he previously executed an acknowledgement of paternity, acknowledging that he's the father of Sebastian previously. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. And that is all I have.
All right, any other witnesses, Miss Williams?
No, sir, Your Honor.
Any other witnesses, Miss Villalobos?
I do not.
All right, the court will, well, Miss Cabrera,
Yes.
have you signed the default order?
Yes, I did.
Oh, hold on a second. We signed a copy.
Oh, the previous.
Being sent to us to sign right now.
And I just resent this updated copy with the correct retroactive judgment amounts.
Okay, so it has not been signed. So have you had an opportunity to look at it, Miss Villalobos?
Yes, I had an opportunity to look at it. The corrected amounts are fine and everything.
And you're asking the court to approve it?
Yes, I'm asking the court to approve it. Ms. Cabrera, are you asking the court to approve the order before the court today?
Yes.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Okay. Miss Williams, I'll talk to you. Let me talk to you in a little while.